Well, it is said that a doctor's image is just like a god on this planet, and somewhere it is quite true. We go to the shelter of God when our soul is in pain. Similarly, we proceed towards a doctor when our body faces any trouble. Today, the problems related to joints are increasing rapidly among us. Reasons may be different, but we have its solutions.
Arthritis is a condition where people have pain in multiple joints. Osteoarthrosis is different from arthritis. Osteoarthrosis, what happens is a degenerative condition where over a period of time the joints becomes damaged and causes pain. The incidence for osteoarthrosis is on rise for simple reason the age or the average age or lifespan has increased. Like 10 years ago, average lifespan was around 72 to 74 years. Nowadays, normal or average lifespan is about 87 to 88 years because of good health care. Hence, the incidence for osteoarthrosis has increased. As a result, more replacements are nowadays being done. That's one of the reasons. Second, why replacements is done more commonly nowadays is because change in the lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle, patients are a bit more obese, less walking, hence putting more load and wear and tear of the joints occur frequently at an earlier age, and as a result they end up with joint replacement surgery. However, replacements can be delayed, but it would be very difficult to say it can be avoided because degeneration will occur over the years. So in that respect, to prevent or delay joint replacement surgery, you should exercise regularly, or the best exercise I would say is walk regularly. That is the exercise you can do at the age of 20 years to even at the age of 80 years. Avoid squatting, sitting cross-legged, using Indian toilets, because those movements causes much more stress on the knees, and the knees will wear out much faster if you do those activities. Thirdly, avoid going down the stairs. Climbing up is fine, but going down the stairs again you put much more load on the knees. Besides that, there are specific medications like glucosamine, diacerine, which can be used as supplements to delay the process of osteoarthritis. All these measures only you can delay it but cannot prevent or stop it. So definitely if the age is there and if your quality of life does get affected, the solution is joint replacement. For me, how I manage about osteoarthrosis is simple. We see the patient, examine it. Treatment is on patient's complaints, not on x-rays, because sometimes in 60 years of age, the x-rays may be very good, but patient may have very little pain, does not mean surgery. Surgery is only decided by the factor once it affects the patient's quality of life. Patient should demand a knee joint replacement rather than surgeon advising it. That's the way I go about it. Our aim is to preserve the natural joint as long as possible, but if all the measures fail, and even physiotherapy or glucose tablets which help reducing osteoarthrosis do not solve the problem, and patient's quality of life is affected, definitely then we advise them a total knee replacement. Well, joint replacement surgery in India is a booming market with respect to joint replacement in India as well as from medical tourism perspective also. For simple reason, the results are excellent. The implants used, be it in USA, be it in UK, be it in India, are all the same implants. The surgical competency is nowadays, thanks to internet, it's equally good. The surgeons are much more dynamic, much more aggressive, and good OT facilities and infrastructure over past 10 years which has developed in India. Definitely this market is on a big boom. Why people from abroad prefer India nowadays is because of the cost. That is the single most factor. Almost 1/5 it costs in getting operated in India. At the same time, they can roam around, visit places, and by 10-12 days they can, that is, get the knees operated, roam around India and go back home also. So cost is one of the major factor. From the implants perspective, already mentioned, all the same implants are used all over the world, so there's no big difference. OT environment is excellent. Laminar flows are there in almost all the OTs, whoever surgeon is operating a total knee replacement. One interesting question which every young patient between 25 to 40 years of age do ask me is, sir, what should we do so that we don't require a knee replacement? Well, it's a very tough question to answer. Actually, see, again, osteoarthrosis is a degenerative joint disease which is bound to occur to everyone as the age advances. Only thing is you can slow down the process by doing regular exercises. And suddenly, suppose at the age of 40, if you are told to do exercise, does not mean you start going gymming and walking, excessive jogging, where you might damage your joints more. Best is to do gradual walk and gradually increase your level of activities. Secondly, never be overweight. By preventing eating, avoiding junk foods, eat healthy food. Because if you have good quality of bone stock, the damage in the joints will be much lesser. Third, if pains have started, then properly you need some medicines which can delay the procedure. But at the end, again, I'm sorry, it's a degenerative joint disease where eventually you will require a replacement. But if your quality of life is good, if your muscle tone is good, perhaps you may not require.
Doctor, a word which symbolizes heal, care and happiness. A word which increases our expectations. Here, Dr. Ashish Jain has also fulfilled the expectations of their patients across the globe. So many people have benefited from him. Now the turn is yours. So be aware and stay fit.